Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are very excited to be here with you guys tonight because it is like midnight.
It's always midnight here, and
when the child is sleeping, that's sleeping. When we're baking.
Yes.
So,
everyone is staying safe out there.
Yes, of course.
It's been a tough time here, but thank God for the kitchen. Thank God for baking. Yeah. And obviously everybody, as you already know, is home baking these days. Banana breads, pizzas, you name it. We've been eating a lot in this house.
I know. But it's all good.
It's all good stuff.
Yeah.
Most important, we're healthy. So, what we're making tonight for you guys is a focaccia bread. Can you say focaccia?
Focaccia.
Focaccia.
I think I got it.
It's a delicious bread with olive oil and herbs, and we've been playing, as you know, for a very long time.
Yes.
Different recipes.
We've been playing with a lot of different recipes to really try and get this one perfect. And the reason we got it perfect finally was because of this flour that we found. It's called Caputo flour. It's imported from Italy. It's amazing.
Incredible.
For pizzas and breads, this is the
And it's gluten-free.
Yeah.
Because we are gluten sensitive, so that's the key here. It's so hard to find gluten-free flours, especially for breads and pizzas, but this by far is the best. And like she said, it's been around forever, imported from Italy. So let's get right into this recipe because I'm excited. So we have a KitchenAid mixer here with a paddle attachment. I have 4 cups of the flour in here. We are going to add some instant yeast.
Instant.
Instant. Now, as opposed to active dry yeast, because the active dry yeast is what you guys are pretty much buying these days. It's on the shelves, which actually it's not on the shelves because you can't find it. That's why I got the instant. The difference is the active dry yeast, you have to proof it. You got to put it in a little warm water, let it start activating, where this is much finer. It goes right into the flour, does not need the water, and it'll proof quicker. So, and this is what I could find. Can't find no yeast.
It works great. They both work the same.
It smells like yeast. All right, let's add that in there.
Okay. And then we are going to add 2 cups of water.
And we're going to blend this up until it's nice incorporated.
And just so you guys know that the full recipe will be in the description, so make sure you check that out. Now we're going to add some salt.
We got 4 tablespoons of kosher salt. Let's blend that up.
Finally, we are going to add some extra virgin olive oil.
Yes, we got 4 tablespoons of some delicious extra virgin olive oil. Let's blend that up. All right, so be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl here to make sure you get everything underneath. And this dough will be sticky, so don't be alarmed. It's a sticky dough. So we are going to basically blend this up for about 4 to 5 minutes till everything is nice incorporated. All right, the next step is we have a 13x9 pan here, and I'm going to oil. And the key is to use a good amount of oil, all right? Because the oil is what's going to make that crust golden brown, you know?
And like crunchy.
Yes, you want that crunchy. So all around on the sides. And you can see I am wearing latex gloves. No, I'm not a doctor. I'm wearing latex gloves because I don't want my hands full of oil. Now, if you don't have any gloves, hey, you're going to have to get your hands dirty with the oil. It's not a big deal. So now let's get into the dough here. Now, I did tell you earlier that the dough is very sticky.
Than normal.
I mean, because it's gluten-free. So
don't be alarmed.
Don't be alarmed. It's all good.
It's supposed to be.
Yes. Don't waste the dough.
And what I love about this recipe is you can't tell that it's gluten-free.
No, which is amazing.
When you have certain breads or pizzas, you can sometimes tell that it's gluten-free because it just doesn't taste great.
It's dry. It's just...
Yeah, just the flavor. But this focaccia, you won't be able to tell that it's gluten-free.
No,
nobody knows when we give it to them. They're actually shocked.
Here's the key.
Yes.
All right, I know that's weird. So you just rub it against, just like that, your hands.
Rub the oil thoroughly on your hands.
And all you're gonna do now is press the dough all around in the bottom of the pan, just like that, evenly, obviously. Okay, honey, this is all ready to go.
Yes, and now we are going to proof this for about 2 hours or until it doubles in size.
And we're also gonna wrap this with some plastic wrap. And the best way is to basically put this kind of like in a warm place. You know, that way it'll rise quicker. Well, there you have it. 2 hours later, look at this dough, how much it's proof, double in size. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. I just want to eat it now.
All we have to do is add the toppings.
Let's add the toppings. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. That did amazing. All right, so here are the toppings. And we got lots of toppings we can do. We'll talk about it. But the most important is the olive oil because this is a focaccia, right? Focaccia? Can I say focaccia?
I think so.
So, tons of olive oil. There's nothing, you cannot never have too much olive oil, especially in a focaccia, right?
No.
There you go, look at that. I know, look at it. And it's got to be extra virgin. That's the most important. And if you can get imported Italian olive oil, even better. Okay, so we have dried oregano. This is imported from Italy. We have a local Italian market by our house. It's wild dried oregano. Look at that. It's incredible. This. I mean, trust me, it's worth it. You can even get it online. So we're gonna add some of that. All right. Don't be shy. We have some of the
rosemary.
Some rosemary in there. You sneak that in there.
Yeah.
I know you wanted to use rosemary.
And you know, if you guys don't have rosemary, then you can just use the dried oregano. Or if you don't have either, you don't even have to use it. You can use dried thyme.
Yes.
You can add sun-dried tomatoes.
Ooh.
Olives.
I like that. Or, you ready for this one?
What?
Our favorite, our daughter's favorite.
Oh.
A 4-year-old loves white truffle oil, truffle salt. You name it. That's stepping it up a notch, right?
Yeah.
But this is perfect. Look at that. And of course, we need some of the salt in there. We got some kosher salt. You don't have kosher salt, use sea salt. Use truffle salt. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Now the last step here. You ready?
Yes.
You ready? I'm gonna get my hands dirty. No gloves for this one.
Okay.
Even I should wear gloves.
I'm gonna hold it for you.
All right, so we're gonna get your fingers here, and we're just gonna make holes in the dough. That way, the oil goes into those holes. It holds the oil, and what I like about it, it looks decorative, right?
It looks really nice when it's baked.
You've seen a focaccia when it has the little holes on top.
Okay, so now that this is done, we are going to put it in the oven at 425 for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until it's golden brown and crispy.
Because that's the key to focaccia, crispy. Okay, so here is the finished focaccia bread. I mean, it's still hot. It's been cooling down for a bit, but it's still hot, but you want to eat it hot. I'm gonna get right in there and cut a piece. I want you to hear, look. You hear that?
The crispiness
you hear
of the bread.
Crispiness? Oh my goodness.
And it looks so beautiful. And it was so easy. You guys saw.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the ooh. Let me just take a piece like that. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that.
So nice.
Smell that. And here's the key right here.
Olive oil.
More olive oil. Go ahead, honey. Here you go.
Oh my god.
Ooh, you hear that crunch? I'm gonna get some olive oil in there.
That's so good.
Wow.
You can taste the rosemary, the salt.
Oh my god.
Really good.
Yeah, the salt is really nice. Like you said, the rosemary, the oregano is beyond. That wild imported from Italy oregano, the dried one.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh my god. And you would never think that this is gluten-free, right?
No, you would never know.
There's really no difference. And you can see by the texture too, it just looks amazing in here. Oh my god, I love it. Well, I want to know what you guys are baking out there, because I know we've all been home, like I said earlier, and all we do is bake. So this is a go-to recipe for you guys. You've got to try this recipe.
Please try it.
Yes, and once you guys try it, please leave us some comments. Let me know how you guys like this recipe.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment, and also please be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell button. That way you get all our recipes Simple, easy recipes from us to you guys. So that is it. I'm gonna eat a little bit more of the focaccia bread.